ChatGPT can write, Claude can reason, but neither of them actually does the work for you. And that's why even powerful AI workflows still feel incomplete after a while. Because at some point, you don't need better answers, you need execution. And that's exactly where something new starts to matter, Codex. And in this video, I'll show you 15 practical ways you can start using this shift today. Things you can actually apply right after watching. So stay with me, this video will be very practical. Most people use ChatGPT like a chatbot, and even when their workflow improves, something still doesn't scale. That's because something important is missing. My name is Mehdi. I design CRM systems and AI-powered automation workflows and turn decisions into action for businesses. I'm also the founder of a CRM platform where we implement these systems in real operations. And the next pattern I see very clearly is this. AI is moving from thinking to doing. Right now, most AI tools help you write, think, summarize, plan, but they stop right before execution. You still have to click, build, connect, update, follow up, and that gap is where most workflows break. And once you start noticing this gap, you see it everywhere. Codex is not just another AI tool. It represents a shift from AI that suggests to AI that executes. Instead of just telling you what to do, it can help perform parts of the work. That's completely different level of leverage. Let's make this real. Imagine your content workflow. Today, you ask ChatGPT for ideas, write a script, edit content, but then you still format posts, upload content, organize files, schedule publishing. Now imagine this. AI generates your script, format it automatically, pushes into your content system, prepare it for publishing, maybe even schedules it. Tip number 1. Start by identifying repeatable publishing steps. For example, if every week you upload a video, write a description, and add tags manually, list those steps clearly. This helps you see what can be automated first. And tip number 2, create a simple checklist of your workflows. Example, idea, script, edit, upload, publish. Once you see it visually, it becomes much easier to improve or automate parts of it. A simple way to do this: write your steps on paper or in notes, one line per step. Then ask yourself, which of these steps do I repeat every time? These are your best automation opportunities. Even better, try to time each step roughly. You will quickly see which parts takes the most effort and where AI can save you the most time. Tip number 3, start small. Automate one step end to end, not the whole workflow. Example, instead of automating everything, start with a script, automated format, ready to publish. This builds confidence and real result fast. Now let's go deeper. Sales and CRM. Normally, you read messages, write replies, update CRM, track follow-ups, move these manually. With execution layer, AI can log conversation automatically, generate follow-ups, update deal stage, schedule reminders, summarize interactions. Tip number 4, track where information is lost. Example, you read a message, say, I'll reply later, and you simply forget. That's a broken system, not a memory problem. Tip number 5, build a follow-up system. Example, every new message, automatically create a follow-up task. Now you don't rely on memory anymore. Tip number 6, use AI to summarize conversation daily. Example, at the end of the day, AI gives you key conversations, pending replies, important decisions. This becomes your system memory. Now think about your daily operations, tasks, projects, coordination. Instead of writing tasks manually, assigning works manually, checking progress manually, AI can create tasks from conversations, assign them automatically, update the status, generate summarize, notify team members. Tip number 7, capture decisions immediately. Example, your decisions, we should launch this next week. AI should instantly turn that into tasks, deadline, owners. Tip number 8, use trigger points. Example, when a message arrives, create a task. When a task is done, notify next person. This removes manual coordination. And here we have tip number 9. Think in flow, not tasks. Instead of isolated tasks, design sequences. Example, lead, contact, follow up, close. That's a flow, not just tasks. Even if you work alone, you still plan your day, prioritize tasks, review progress, make decisions. AI can organize your schedule, structure priorities, summarize your work, prepare next steps. And here we have tip number 10. Build a daily AI loop. Morning, AI organizes your priorities. Example, top 3 tasks based on urgency. Midday, AI supports executions. Example, suggest next step for current tasks. Evening, AI summarize your progress. Example, what was done plus what's pending. And tip number 11 is ask AI. What should I do next based on your real task? Example, instead of guessing, AI analyze your task and suggest the highest impact actions. If you work with documents, contracts, reports, contacts, notes, AI can extract key points, generate summaries, update knowledge bases, link information across files, and etc. Tip number 12. Create a single source of truth. What this means? All your important information lives in one place that AI can read, update, and act on. Why it matters? When data is scattered, AI cannot connect context, decisions, actions. Example, notes in Notions, task in another app, conversation in email, WhatsApp, and you keep switching and things get lost. But you can use central workspace like CRM. Tasks, notes, and conversation link together. AI can summarize, create tasks, and trigger follow-ups. First, choose one primary system like CRM or Notion or a project tool. Then define your core objects, tasks, notes, contacts, projects. Always attach new info to one of those. Don't leave it floating. Here is a quick win. Every time you take a note, ask, which task or contact should this be linked to? This is what turns information into usable context for AI. And here is tip number 13. Connect your documents to decisions. Example, a report should lead to actions, then tasks, and then next step. Information without actions has no leverage. Let's make it this even more real. Imagine a simple business workflow. A client sends a message. Normally, you read it, you reply, you maybe forgot to follow up. With the execution system, message arrives, AI summarizes it, create a task, set follow-up reminders, suggest response, log everything. Now, nothing gets lost. Tip number 14. Design workflows like systems, not reactions. Example, don't wait for a message and react. Instead, design what should happen automatically after each event. Pick one workflow: content, sales, tasks, project. Step 1. List all steps. Step 2. Find repeated actions. Step 3. Identify execution opportunities. And here is tip number 15. Automate high-frequency, low-thinking tasks first. Example, renaming files, sending reminders, updating labels, or something similar. This creates quick wins with minimal risk. Avoid trying to automate everything, focusing only on tools, ignoring structures, copying workflow blindly, skipping tracking layers. Tip number 16 and final tip. Design your workflow in the right order and avoid common mistakes. Design structure first, automate second, tools last. Example, don't start with tools. Start with your workflow structure, then automate them, then choose tools, and at the same time, avoid these mistakes. Trying to automate everything at once, relying only on tools instead of systems, copying workflow without adopting them. We are entering a new phase of AI. Phase 1 was answering, phase 2 is workflow, and phase 3 is execution systems. Find one task you repeat weekly. Ask yourself, can this be executed automatically? In the next video, I'll show you how to build your first AI system, step by step, because AI becomes powerful when it doesn't just help you think, but helps you